In the garden of kindness we sow, with hearts open wide, love will grow. Sweet tea daily, spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hello, welcome to Sweet Tea Daily. I'm Nichole, and it's really great to have you here. So this week, I'm going to be doing a series of videos, and the theme is characters. So for today, I'm going to be doing a Bluey theme for a girl who's 2 to 4. So I hope you'll come and join me. So when she opens her box, this is what she'll see. And I'll take these papers out so that you can see the lid design. The lid design says Jesus loves you, and there's Bluey and Bingo having a party. You can access this lid design if you're interested down in the description box. I'm not going to put it on my website due to copyright and intellectual property regulations. So I thought I would just do the safe thing and make it available by clicking in the description box. One of her wow items is this soft-bodied baby doll. I love packing these because you can really squish these down and they can really fit around other items in the box. So I really like these, especially for the 2 to 4-year-olds. They're very easy for them to hold, and I just think that they are so sweet. Next is Bluey. And as you can see, I have squished him down and put some rubber bands around the bag to help save some space in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out so that you can see Bluey. Okay, here's Bluey. I bought him from Walmart. He's really soft and he fits really well inside this box. Next, I have a puzzle for her. This is a 24-piece puzzle, so this would be more advanced than a 2-year-old could probably do, but a 4 or 5-year-old could do a 24-piece puzzle easily. I have a bag for her to take her items home in, a pair of scissors, some crayons, and here is a Bingo and Bluey t-shirt. The size is 5 years old, so she'll probably have to grow into it if she's 2. I like to size up. Next, I have some underwear and some socks. These are Care Bear socks, and a really soft washcloth. I put a rubber band around them to try to save some space in the box. This is her pencil pack. I wasn't able to fit all of the items in and have it lay flat, so I had to take some of the items out and put them elsewhere in the box. She's got pencils and pens and a ruler, some pencil caps and an eraser. She has a glue stick with some instructions on how to use a glue stick, which you can access on my website, sweetteadaily.com. I have a pencil sharpener for her for big and smaller size pencils. I have a ball for her. I found these on Amazon. I thought they were just a really pretty color. They have all different colors of tennis balls on Amazon. Next, I have a princess crown, some sunglasses, and some jewelry. Here's her princess crown. Isn't that cute? Next, I have some hair accessories, velvet scrunchie, and 2 elastic bands. 2 bracelets, and some sunglasses, some Bluey sunglasses that have the UV protection on them. They are so cute. Next, I have a little Bluey figure with a little xylophone and I cinched this up pretty tight because I was thinking that this might not be good for a 2-year-old, but this would be fine for a 4-year-old. So hopefully someone will intercept it before a 2-year-old gets a hold of that. Oops. Have a spoon for her. A pair of Bluey toothbrushes. 2 dry erase markers. A compact. And a pair of Bluey shoes. I found these at Walmart. They were on sale. Next, I have our card and our picture for the child. I made this in Canva for the 2 to 4 age group. It says Jesus loves me on the front, and on the back there's a translation, 20 different translations for Jesus loves me. And when you open it up, the lines are nice and wide for them, and they can trace the animals and color them. This is available on my website, sweettea.com. I just love making things in Canva. Next, I have some stickers for her. A Bluey coloring book. A notebook. And next I have this little handwriting practice that I laminated. I made this in Canva, and you can access this on sweetteadaily.com. And on the other side, she can practice her numbers. And most countries do use numbers like this. The exception would be the Ukraine and Russia, because they use the Cyrillic number system. That's all I have for today. May God bless you and your Shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles to every face.